Alright everybody, so today is May the 12th, which is Mother's Day, and we're gonna cook some food, you know, with Mother's Day and everything.
Yeah.
Have a little get together. So
there you go.
Again, we are prepared today. We are going to do fried chicken and rice and peas, which is a Jamaican the classic Sunday dinner.
Yeah.
So today is Sunday and we're going to prepare that. So stay tuned. We are showing you we are look after now. Showing you with chicken and everything, we are cook and everything, you know. Alright, so go and watch. Alright, so it's look here now, you can see peas are washed. See there? Red peas. We have a chicken on one side, I see well wash off. Then we have daily the chicken breast too. So we have 2 packs of chicken breast or so. We have cut them up, wash them off, clean them up and everything, you know. And get going in the kitchen again. So stay tuned, we are going on next peep and we'll go on after this. Alright. So as you can see everybody, today I start cleaning up the chicken and thing, you know. So I clean them up, get them seasoned up and get the pot going. So as you can see, chicken cut up, ready to season him up, you know. So when I season it up now, then we put on it on the fire and start cooking, you know. You want to see frying pan here, you turn on the stove it still and peas are bubbling in the pressure cooker here, so you know. So we soon start dealing with it, you know. So everything cut up and clean up, you know. Yeah man, so just stay tuned now when we season him up and I put in the island, we get back to you now, alright? Alright everybody, so chicken season up this already now. 2 different bases I use because I really want like when too much in pack up in a one basin and then I get them seasoned properly, you know. You have the flour right there, so ready for dip him in and thing, mix up with paprika and meat season, a little bit of meat seasoning night, garlic powder. Here so we have a frying pan hot up, you know, before we oil in it. Normally like heat my frying pan before I put the oil in there, you know. Yeah man, so stay tuned. Next step is we put the chicken in the oil, we start fry. Don't read this so then we go on the next preview I will go on again, you know. Yeah man, so stay tuned, alright? Don't move. Alright everybody, so as you can see we done season up the meat right now. Start put them in a frying pan, you know. So you put them in a flour and thing. So you do your chicken before you fry it, you know. Yeah man. See them come out gold and crispy and nice. I want these in there. So we put the fire pan medium, you know, we don't want it too hot. Alright everybody, so as you can see, chicken in the oil and now fry down. So just put them in, just have them on one side of fry. We soon flip them when one side set up, you know. Yeah man, so as you can see around here, so the whole crew in the kitchen sit down like nice and get trouble.
Why you feel like
See
that? Yeah, they won't give them mother bread. Cheese. Oh my, oh they gonna make the piece of stew pop down? What?
You see people, you see who get for yard stay. Not even when you cook, you can't get no peace and quiet.
Not even for Mother's Day, you can't get a break. Oh my god. didn't get a picture yet?
My big fat face, see me?
Jeez. Go and play that again, go play blocks. Go play blocks with Chunky. Go, see Chunky gone, they go play blocks with him now. Run, go on. Run, go play blocks. Run. Oh, my God. You run, go on too. When you come back, she gonna come out here too. Go play blocks with her.
Alright everybody, so right now we're checking them fry as me showing already.
You soon get the picture, we finish.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm break the chair, you cannot sit
Have some more so we put in same way. So see it you see the process go already, so we are going to know when this we done fry up and everything pretty and come out there frying pan and we do now look pan it, you know? Alright.
Why would you lay your face?
So don't go anywhere, stay tuned.
Jeez, Janea.
Alright everybody, so as you can see, chicken they are fried on in a frying pan. Alright. So you can see what is coconut milk you stir up.
Coconut milk,
Yeah.
yes.
So I'm wife there stir up coconut milk.
Artificial, me know say,
Go in the pot with the
well, for
coconut with the
Jamaican,
red
I
peas and
say
all.
we need to do the well, then they use the real coconut, but not time for that right now.
Yeah, so as you can see, here go put in the coconut milk in my pot now to cook the rice and peas. Sorry about the noise in my background, see who make noise here. See how they? Okay, no noise there.
Stop now.
Yeah, she knows she dep on camera, so she start make noise. Go on. Ning 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 ning. Start make noise now, man. So see the coconut milk gone in my pot now.
Sorry, Jenna.
Rice and peas pot that, you know. Boil me a deal with the chicken. So first set of chicken, this I take this off now. The chicken I'm supposed to more than ready to eat. I mean, some man know Jamaican people like we meat well cooked, well done. We not like no blood in the meat and this something.
Medium rare.
Meat have to soak properly.
Medium rare.
See me?
Yeah, go on properly.
That's what I do. Yes, I do something and put it on my hand there. I almost burn up my hand, everybody.
What up yourself?
Yes, as you can see, a coconut powder we are using. We don't have no time for grate a coconut and cut up coconut and blend. You know, we don't have that right now. We don't have time for that.
That taste is same at the end of the day.
Only thing make it taste different than coconut trash still.
Coconut trash, but then I don't put coconut trash.
Texture, some people, when they do when they strain, you have some trash get when night and you taste it in the
Really?
rice. Yeah. That's the only difference with it and the coconut powder. You see, cook where cook everybody and then in here a bother. We look on them. You don't give a break. Everybody, so as you can see, we are making progress right now. One set of chicken out of a frying pan. They are so ready, you know. So the next set in it a fryer now. So right there you see rice a bubble up. Rice a cook now, you know. Another set of chicken a fry. So get in there, we get in there.
Very nice one.
Yep, so stay tuned again. Supposed to tell you stay tuned, done. Alright everybody, so as you can see we done cook now. Time is 5:58 PM. So chicken done fry up, see it there. See what it look like, the nice brown and crisp, you know. Yeah man, well fried down. Me do a good job, comment and if me do a good job, comment and let me know, alright? Then we have rice and peas. So we just have scrape off any onion and thing and get rid of them you know. Now watch that, just look on it. Smell nice. A good thing you can't smell it through your phone. And then we have a gravy here so. Right? So this is our gravy, we not eat it food dry. Rice and peas. Don't cook. And we have a chicken fry up so you know. Yeah man, so alright everybody, so we are eat. My parents them outside I eat and they don't know so we are record them. So I make a little clip of them I eat and post it. This is one here play Fortnite.
John, then be careful when you come back.
Aye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and as me say, comment and let me know if me do a good job, alright? Stay tuned for the next one.